My name is Yadav of class 12 from Dalimss Sunbeam. Together with my friends Achal and Neera, we have made a Tesla coil experiment under the guidance of our physics teacher Mr. Bhajan sir. Tesla coil, it was invented by Nikola Tesla, a brilliant scientist who dreamed of transferring electricity through the air without any wire. Now Achal will tell how it works.
Let's understand how it works. The primary coil gets energy from the power supply, and this energy creates a magnetic field. Then this energy is transferred to secondary coil, which has many more tons of wires. That's why we can see electric arcs coming out. Now Tia will demonstrate.
So guys, now I will demonstrating the Tesla coil experiment. When we switch on the light, the LED glows, which signifies that the circuit is not broken from anywhere and it is working. Now when I bring the bulb near it, it starts to glow. Now this happens because the primary coil is actually creating an oscillating electric field around it, which actually excites the gas inside the bulb. This is how Sir Nikola Tesla dreamt of lighting cities by this. Thank you.